So if you want to have a power for your Naked GoPro from your Avata 2 but you don't know where to solder, this video is for you. In this video I want to explain how to take apart the drone. I will link the Matt's Tech video about Avata 2 teardown in the link below. A brief disclaimer, if you're gonna do it, it's on your own risk. You will definitely void the warranty for your Avata. The most important thing you need to do is to get to the ESC behind the front camera and solder on the power cable onto it. On the video you can see the only place where you can get the power from the Avata 2. Make sure you don't put too much solder on a power pad, because otherwise it's going to be pretty hard to put back the plate for the ESC. You can find the ground in any of these golden pads. I've soldered the ground cable to the one on the video. That's all I have for today. Please subscribe to my Instagram, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments below.